Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this golden hour makeup look for you guys. I know it's summer, I know golden hour is a huge thing, and I love golden hour. My favorite type of pictures to take are golden hour pictures. So I just thought this would be a good video to film and keep watching. Golden hour is perfect for kind of looking super glowy and natural and dewy. So I'm going to be starting off with my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Moisturizer. And I'm just going to put a little bit all over my face. So the next thing that I'm going to do is take my Too Faced bronzer, and I'm going to use this as a super light eyeshadow. Golden hour is definitely not a time to do anything heavy, so I'm swapping out foundation for my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this just to even my skin tone. Then for some super light coverage, I'm going to be taking my NARS Creamy Concealer and just doing a little bit under my eyes and over any problem areas that I have. Even though I want this to be super dewy, I don't want my concealer to move, so I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm not going to do a lot or anything crazy. I'm not going to bake it. Just a quick little swipe under the eyes should set it. Now I'm going to go in and take the same bronzer and I'm going to put that under my eyes, under my waterline, just to kind of take the eyeshadow all the way through. We're definitely not going to do anything crazy, so I'm just going to take my Bad Gal Bang Mascara and I'm just going to do a light layer of mascara. After all of that, I'm finally going to use the bronzer for what it's for, to bronze my face. Nothing extreme, just a little bit of bronze. The most important part to glow, highlight. Actually, my favorite highlight is the Modern Renaissance palettes, Vermeer and Primavera. I obviously use them as highlights, they're pretty much gone. This next step is completely optional, but I love fake freckles, and so I take a brown liquid eyebrow marker from NYX and I like to fake freckles. You guys can totally do this if you want to, optional, not really, you know. After I do that, you definitely need to blend them out. I enjoy having fake freckles, and if you guys want a tutorial on them, just let me know down below. For my lips, I really don't like to do anything except for add a little bit of lip gloss. This is the first lip gloss that I grabbed. It's the Victoria's Secret Shiny Kiss flavored lip gloss, and yeah, some extra oomph. I have this Summer Glow. It's kind of like a shimmer stick. You guys have probably seen this in my videos before, I'm sure. This just kind of gives out like a bronze glitter. And so I would love to just go back in and just kind of bronze and glow everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Turn on my post notifications to be notified whenever I upload. All of my social medias will be linked down below. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really enjoyed filming it for you guys. And I hopefully will see you guys in my next video. Bye.